Today I'm going to be showing you how to make lemonade smoothie in easy steps, and it's easy to make. I'm going to cut one melon in half. I'm going to squeeze it into a cup. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar into the cup. I'm mixing it all together. I'm going to pour the mixture into the cup. And with the smoothie I poured it, and I'm going to add some water into the cup as well. Then I'm going to mix it. And this is the final result. This is how to make lemonade smoothie. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe for more of these recipe videos, and I'll be back whenever I am.